Welcome and good evening to today's session. And as you can note from the topic of the session, it's going to be a very interesting and unique session. So we are used to uh, undergo this scientific webinars during this pandemic era, but today's topic revolves around finances, which is also extremely important topic, especially in this pandemic time. And our esteemed speaker today is Mr. Keyur Shah, who will be talking about introduction to personal financial wellness planning. Now, let me briefly introduce Sir, and then he can begin his lecture. So, Sir is an independent certified financial planner, coach, and a SEBI registered investment advisor. And he has more than 20 years of experience in financial wellness planning and consulting to investors. So we have got a correct resource person to guide us about our finances and financial wellness, especially in this era of pandemic. So I request sir to continue with his talk, and I welcome him on behalf of SVKM's Dr. Bhanuben Nanavati College of Pharmacy. We are so lucky to have you, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you very much. Good evening, friends. I request those who are at silent place, they can keep their microphone on. Okay, so you can interact with me. Definitely, we have a limited time, 30 minutes. So I welcome to introduction to personal financial planning session. Okay, so I first thank Mihirji and Munira Madam for conducting this kind of learning session for you. And I'm sure this personal financial wellness session is give you a good insight about the why you should know about the personal finance and how it can help you to achieve the long-term success in your personal and professional life. Okay, so when we think about the cycle, okay, so how many wheels we get in our mind? How many wheels? You can two wheels. Okay, so you can even use the chat box to answer. So when you will interact through chat box or through microphone, so I'll feel that it is an interactive session instead of download session. All are with me? Okay, so now
Yes.
now let me move ahead. So here we know that if we have a one wheel cycle, it is very difficult to keep a balance and our speed will be reduced, and sometimes we lose confidence and out of rest. So in past maybe 30 years 40 years before, if someone is become an engineer, doctor, or pharma professional or artist, okay, it was a different life. But today we know the pandemic and the modern era, so everyone has to have thorough knowledge of own domain expertise as well as the personal financial planning, at least basic level or standard level knowledge and skill set. Otherwise chances that someone is earning a good income, but that income is basically invested into some non-suitable product, and chances that when you need the money for your dreams or aspiration and money is not available. And we have seen in many cases people have lost their huge capital in various scam. And in India is we know, starting from we can collect Harshad Mehta 1992, then various time to time scam where people have heavily lost in some kind of money in capital market or through some kind of investments into MLM scheme. So now, if we want to achieve a long-term success, okay, so we need to have a both expertise. Why we need to learn the personal finance? Because we want to achieve our goals, aspirations. So if I move to the next page, do you like to go to a holiday or vacation with your family? Yes or no?
Yes.
Sleeping or awake? It is 5 o'clock, so I am sure that you have a good day and you are ready for another 30 minutes learning session. So everyone would like to go for a vacation? Yes or no?
Yes.
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 If I offer you a 30-day vacation, okay, with your family to your favorite destination, Europe. Okay, would you like to go? Yes or no? For 1 month,
Yes.
fully paid trip.
Yes.
Okay, everyone say yes.
Jalsa.
Present cost is 20 lakh rupees. Definitely, I am not going to offer the today, but I am going to show the path. If you follow my path, yes, you can go at your money without taking any loan. Okay, you can create a wealth of that amount and you can go for 1 month Europe vacation. So what is the path? Path is that today we are in 2020 and if I require 20 lakh rupees for 1 month 4-member family vacation, okay, now there is a one, you can say, devil in developing country like India is inflation. Okay, so I can discuss another 30 minutes for inflation, but I request you can Google it. What is inflation? So it is like general rise in the price. So if I give you a simple example, okay, if you see the 10 year before Amul 1 liter milk was available at 25 rupees and today it is available at 50 rupees and after 10 years it would be 100 rupees. So every 10-year cost of living is getting doubled. So that's reason instead of 20 lakh rupees we require approximately 55 lakh rupees for the 55 lakh rupees for the 55 lakh rupees for the our vacation.
Europe.
Okay, now to achieve this 55 lakh rupees for a vacation we require a monthly investment of 30,700 per month at 10% investment. But definitely at this juncture you are a student and you are not earning. So what is the solution? So let's take a example. If you start earning maybe 1 or 2 years, and if you start with the example 8,000 rupees monthly investment, and this investment will increase every year at approximately 9% interest rate. Okay, so you will be able to achieve a corpus of 55 lakh rupees. Suppose if you started the late earning, instead of 2035 you can go from 2037. So message is very clear that if I want to go to a Europe trip, okay, and to achieve my goal of 1 month paid vacation with my family, I need a 55 lakh rupees. If I start my savings from 2022, I can go to a 2037. Okay, and I need to start a 8,200 per month investment in a basket of instrument, so I can achieve the goal over a period of 15 years. Now the question is the where to invest, biggest challenge. So there are two broad instruments are available. One is known as a equity. Okay, so equity is like a investing in business. We know that there are many brand we are familiar like Hindustan Liver. Okay, it is a listed company since last 40 years in India. Colgate, okay, or you can say Hero Motor. So you can buy a product of that company also and you can buy a share also. So when you buy a share you are the owner of the particular company in particular asset percentage, and that's how you can earn a good return. So statistics says if you are investing in equity market with a long term horizon you can expect 11% per annum return. So what are the options are available in investing in equity? So you can buy a shares. As you are not aware which company I should buy, so that's the reason we suggest to a investor, okay, to go with the mutual fund. It is called a professional manager. So that professional manager invests into a basket of company because they are expert in identifying the right company, okay, and that expertise help them to get a good return, minimum 11 to 12% return with a moderate risk. And in last 25 years none of the mutual fund has given a capital loss, because many of time we invest direct equity we end up with the capital loss. But if you have invested in 1985 any mutual fund, today if you see after 25 years or 15 years, okay, all mutual fund has given a positive return. Now what is the second option we have? Second option we have is about the debt investing. So that means that we are depositor, so we can invest into a bank fixed deposit, recurring deposit. If we are investing for long term, we can invest into PPF, public provident fund, provident fund, debt mutual fund, traditional life insurance policy. Okay, so definitely I understand all are the new word for you. So it is a beginning. I'll discuss end of the 30 minutes how you can get a more understanding. Okay, how you can connect with us in case if you're interested. So now I want to save 8,200 rupees per month. Okay, so to save the 8,000 rupees 200 per month, biggest challenge for me is to earning the income, because all you are student. Yes or no?
Yeah.
So
Yes, sir.
you have to be,
Sir,
you know that we are in pandemic situation, and we know that when you complete your BPharm or you decide to do post graduation, because of we are into new normal, getting a good job is going to be not easy. Okay, even not difficult. So please understand, I am giving you one more idea that you have to be a domain expert to get the higher income. Higher income come with your expertise. So you must be you are pharma professional, whether you complete BPharm and start job, MPharm or whatever, but make sure that you are the what having the very good technical expertise, then you will be able to earn good income. After earning a good income, you have to ensure that you save approximately 30% of income. Okay, so you will be able to achieve your goals. So one of the goal we have listed down, which is about the uh, achieving the foreign trip, Europe trip after 15 years. But there might be a many small goal like buying your own two-wheeler. Okay, maybe buying your own mobile phone. Okay, so there could be short term goal, medium term goal, so that how you can achieve various goal with help of the your savings. But now saving is not sufficient, you have to invest into right instrument, right product. And we have seen that okay, people when they have to buy a 10,000 rupees mobile, they basically search right now online on Amazon or Flipkart and ensure that they compare the various features, take a friend feedback, etc. But when they invest, okay, we have seen that 9 out of 10 invest, okay, based on their what friend suggested, based on their insurance agent suggested, based on their bank relationship manager suggested, and they do not try to learn. And that's a reason we have seen that today in our country almost 50% plus people, investors are end up with the, they call it mis-selling. They got wrong product selection and that's how they end with the capital loss. So you have to ensure that you appoint qualified certified financial planner, okay, who can prepare your comprehensive plan. And when you invest into capital market, whether you invest into capital market through equity, mutual fund or bond, you have to make sure that you invest through a professional manager. Because we know that if we try to learn the expertise of the investing equity market, it takes 20-30 years. It is not possible. So we have to use the expertise of the your managers. Like right now, like you are student and you are getting a new learning from your college professors. Okay, so same way you appoint the managers. Okay, and that manager will identify the good companies and invest and earn the good return. Even you can Google mutual fund for more detail. And we have to also identify what kind of the roadblocks we may encounter during these visits, okay, in journey of 15-17 years. So roadblocks like challenges, some kind of contingency. So we need to ensure the proper risk analysis and insurance planning. So we need to have a proper health insurance. We are going through the COVID situation, we know that importance of health insurance right now. Okay, so critical illness, personal accident, life insurance, general insurance. So why we need a proper insurance? Because in case if something happen and we do not have a adequate insurance, then we have to basically sell our investment, okay, to fund the uncertain event. We have to ensure that we have a proper contingency fund also. So contingency fund is like a maybe 6 month 12-month expenses. Okay, any reason, if you started your job and after 5 years you basically got some kind of accident and you could not attend the job for 6 months, your employer is keeping you but without salary. So at that time, how you will take care of your expenses, which is the help of your contingency fund. one more important point is avoid the loan. Okay, to because when we take a loan, we are basically, instead of earning a interest, we are paying a interest, and which is normally double than the what get the interest. Okay, so we should take a loan, but it must be based on the need of the product. We can avoid the emotional investment. We have to be a logical and wise investor. Do not buy house or car in a young age. I can discuss in a length, but time is limited. So when you, because our traditional parents are asking you, okay, when you start your job, immediately you buy your own home, some safety. But in this era, the cost of home is very high, and if you buy that home, then your 50-60% income will be going into EMI. And then even if you want to grow in your professional career, then home can be roadblock, because you may not like to switch one location to another location, because you have to leave the home. Okay, plan for the other goals. So now I understand in last 15 minutes I discuss brief introduction about the need and importance of the personal financial wellness coaching. At this juncture, you are a student and you have a you can say extra time apart from your college study. So every day you can invest 1 hour for learning the personal finance. And at this juncture, even you don't require a investment of money, only time investment is required. So what you can do to enhance your personal financial skills, so you can basically read ebooks. Today if you type that key financial planning or wealth creation books, so there would be various books are available in downloaded format. Even if you go to YouTube channel, you can find various summary video. So I can say that there are some name like Intelligent Investor by Graham Bell, Warren Buffett, which you can read his quote or some kind of information. Rich Dad Poor Dad, which is a one book. So objective is that even you can read Economics Times, Business Standard, which is the financial magazine. So you can update about the current happening in the financial service sector, or how finance is right now. I am sure that you are aware that we have a negative GDP in first quarter. So may I know what is the full form of GDP? Anyone will tell me full form of GDP?
Gross
Domestic, gross domestic
product.
Okay, so आप बताएं, anyone will tell me what is the meaning of GDP? So why I am saying that when you are update yourself with current environment, so GDP is basically a you example, you take an example of family. In one family, let's say a small family, husband and wife both are earning, so total income of the family, okay, is considered as a family's GDP, or total expenses of the family is considered as a family GDP. Here we are talking about the country. The total income of the country is like a country GDP. Total expense, what we buy product and services, it is called the country GDP. So this year we have negative 25% GDP. It means that our consumption is reduced by 25%. So more detail you can if anyone is interested to learn about the personal finance in detail, okay, so they can go through the website which is the name of the body, india.fpsb.org. They conduct the professional examination for US based certified financial planner course. Okay, you can go to a CFP Aspirant Club website. You can go to a Kayusha CFP website. Now I like to invite one of my colleague. His name is Abhay Roham. He is a young CFP and he has just completed on 7th September. He has completed his CFP certification with me. And right now he is based in a small town near Nashik. Okay, and he has completed a BBA in 2019. So Abhay, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
So you have a 10 minutes to discuss.
Yeah.
Yes, Abhay.
Yeah, so hello everyone. So at this stage, you are not a working professional. So I'll be sharing things that you should do now at this stage as you're a student. So I have named this Foundation for Wealth. So I'll not be talking about the actual investing process. I'll just be making you aware of the other things you should be doing before you start investing. So before that, I'll share you one story of Uttam. He's an actual person. So he works in our farms. He is really hardworking guy. So in that tribe, basically he's a tribe. He's from tribal caste. So in that tribe, so people start working at means as they grow to 15, they start working. So they start earning when they're 15, and because they aren't aware of most things, and at this early age they start earning, they get into other addictions, looking at the other people, because the tribe itself is such that people get influenced, right? Because your society influences you. So he got addicted to many things like gutka, tambaku, and again alcohol, so Indian rum. So basically he spends on an average 50 rupees, means max, means I'm talking about the minimum thing. So a minimum 50 rupees every day on his intoxications. So 50 rupees per day, that's 1500 rupees per month. So if somebody would have made him aware that 1500 per month, now he is 30, actually 35. So 15 to 35, that's 20 years gap, right? So if he had started investing that kind of money in actually in an index fund, that really easy, he would have accumulated 17 lakh 50,000 approximately. So even if he had just did half intoxication and other money he would have invested in index funds, he would have accumulated 17 lakh 50,000. That's really a big amount for that kind of society. So he would have started something on his own. He would not, no longer have to work in other farms. He would have bought his own farm in his own. Can you hear me? Hello.
Yes, yes. Everyone is hearing.
Yeah, yeah. So he would have started his own farm. So that's the kind. So because he wasn't aware of many things. Nobody could have helped him, and he did not accumulate that wealth. He did not get his financial independence. So we should be grateful that we have this knowledge, and make sure that you implement this knowledge in your life. So at this juncture, where should you start? So all we have is now. So start now from so where we should start. So first thing, we should start investing now. Whatever you do start in mutual funds, ppf, whatever. Please, means at least start in putting some money out from your pocket money, or some, if you are working somewhere, at least put some amount percentage of your salary into some savings or investments. So with time it gets a habit gets built, right? Means smoking, it just Warren Buffett has a really great quote: change of habits are too light to be felt until they are too hard to be broken. Because habits are such that smoking, you take an example of a smoker. For first few times it's so easy for him. He don't even feel that he is getting addicted to it until it's too hard to be broken. Means you can see smokers all around. So good habits are also like that. So if you're a friend with the gym freak, so he also has the same mentality. He starts so sorry. I cannot actually answer that questions now. So building habits. I was talking about building habits. So where I was, gym freak. So he develops such an habit over years that if he doesn't go to gym, he gets really feel the guilt for not going to gym. So that is the kind of habit you should build about savings. Again, by the time you get to the professional jobs, you will start we will build a strong habit of saving. Another thing is that by the time you get into a professional careers, you will become emotionally an investor. Because if you start with big amounts initially, means as you start earning, you will of course earn a great amount. So if you start investing with big amounts, you'll feel more panic when you'll see your investments go up and down. Because the investments are really volatile. So build a temperament now, because temperament is more important in financial markets, because you can outsource the analytical part, the analysis part, the technical part, but in the end the holding part is with you. Other thing is that compounding. By the time you get into your professional career, your technical knowledge will compound so much that you won't need at least you can do some basic advisory to yourself, like holding on to investments, recognizing some great investment options. um, Other thing is that yeah, can you change the slide? Before you invest, there are few things that you should do, because we don't go directly into investments. First thing you should know is investing is inactive. So many people, what they do is get into trading and all that stuff. So even traders, if you ask active traders, they know that trading is for monthly income. uh, it's not uh, part-time job to do, right? So if you are into pharmacy school, and you'll be doing some pharmacy related job work, so please focus on that. So build strong cash flow from that source of income, or diversify in other as well. But remember, investment should be passive, and you should always make your investment passive, or it's like active job. Then it doesn't bring efficiency in your work also, and it is not productive also. The other thing is building emergency fund for undisturbed compounding. So why we need emergency fund is, um, uh, suppose something happens and you need some money cash. So if you go directly into the markets, or if you try to sell your real estate, it's really difficult, because your mutual fund stock investments they might be at their lowest value when you need them, or real estate investment, they are really illiquid. So if you want to in some uncertain time, you need some cash, you need some liquid assets, so that you won't disturb, or you don't have to sell your assets which are compounding. Other thing is that risk planning. So what is risk planning is, you need to have proper insurance, health covers, life insurance, asset covers, so that you don't have to pay for some accidents, or some cases like that. And you are basically transferring your financial responsibility to other organizations, so they take care of your risk financially, so your compoundings are not disturbed. So that's it in 10 minutes. That's what I could
Okay,
explain.
thank you, Abhay, for sharing the brief input. So now we have last 5 minutes. So let me conclude our discussion. So as I said, it is an introduction to financial wellness planning journey. It is very important to have your own domain expertise of subject, which will help you to earn more income per month. And when you have a more income per month, you can save 1/3 of your income and invest into right instrument with help of certified financial planner. Or if you have acquired the good financial planning expertise, so you will be able to do it yourself also. Today we are in 21st century, digital is there. So today many of IT professionals specifically I have seen, okay, they are basically doing all their investments online. But definitely it is not starting with in young age of 20, but you need a some good expertise, and then you can plan and invest into a capital market, or you can hire a qualified person. So even you can understand what he's explaining. Many of time if you go to a doctor, and if he discuss the particular treatment, but if you don't know anything about the medicine, then it is like that, we listen but we don't understand. So even when you have a certified financial planner in place, he can explain you the importance of the asset allocation, importance of rebalance strategy, importance of long term investing instead of the thinking of short term investing. Today thanks to, or you can say, digital technology, many of young people are doing a intraday F&O. You might not aware what is intraday. In capital market, you buy a particular share in morning, you can sell in evening. Now it is a speculation. If you do a speculation, it is like a one kind of bad habit. So when you have a bad habit, you may enjoy the speculation. It's like some kind of excitement, but end up with the your waste of time, and you may end up with the capital loss also, and it also disturb your own domain work also, because many of time I have seen many young people in their daily routine, they invest 2 to 3 hours in intraday F&O or some speculation activity, which likely to lose their productivity. Okay, so what you can do in case if you are interested to learn more about the personal financial wellness planning, you can go with the some kind of online download the ebook, or go with the some kind of newspaper reading like Economics Times, some kind of video summary. And then if you are more interested, I am very happy to say that Pritha Shah, she has started the certified financial planner course under my guidance. She is my daughter, okay, and she is aware, so she started. So even you can discuss with her, she will willing to give you a free of cost or any charge, without any charges, some kind of your family personal financial planning guidance if your parents are facing any kind of problem. Okay, so she can give you guidance, or she can take my help. Even you can connect with Abhay. He is also young, in your age only. He is just completed 21, and after his BBA completed certified financial planner. So I'll share my number as well as Abhay number, so you can keep in touch with to solve your basic query or some kind of personal financial planning time to time. And then if you feel that yes, you are willing to learn personal financial planning in detail as a part of second domain expertise, because today one domain expertise is not sufficient. Many IT professional, they have to compulsory go for two domain expertise. One is example their IT software coding, and second is like pharma or maybe finance. Why? Because when they have to code or develop the software for pharma company or hospital, if they do not understand the basic terminology of pharmaceutical or medical science or finance, how they can help to them. So that's how when you have two domain expertise, it will help you to have a better professional career as well as better personal financial life. So when you learn financial wellness planning as a part of second domain expertise, it will help you to become a wise and logical investor, help you to create a bigger wealth in a long term with same kind of earning which your friend has, those who do not have a financial expertise, and you can enjoy a better quality life with the proper financial planning. So I thank you very much, all of you. Thank you, Mihirji, for conducting this session. So definitely we have a 1 minute time, but I like to you can share your feedback to Mihir sir about this session. In case if you have a specific query, you can share to Mihir sir also, or I have I'll share the my presentation PPT and Abhay presentation PPT. Okay, so you can connect with Abhay also or me in case of any query is there. As I said that
Yes,
Pritha is also doing CFP course, so you can connect with Pritha for the queries. So I thank you very much for your kind attention and participation during the last 30 minutes. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. And on behalf of our college, we would like to thank you and Abhay for your insightful sharing of knowledge. And we look forward to be associated with you. So whatever queries I receive, I will be forwarding to both of you. And whatever material you share, I'll forward it with students. So hopefully they can get some benefit out of this.
Yes.
So
Yes.
thank you so much for your time, sir. For both of you.
Thank you
so
very much. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Kevir sir. Thank you, Mir sir. Thank you,
Thank
Abhay.
you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.